Tired of seeing your electric bill suck the life out of your bank account each month? Contact Solar Connections today and let us show you how we can reduce or eliminate your power bill. And it won't cost you a cent. Imagine, no more power bill each month. Solar Connection offers a free consultation and quote for converting your home or business to solar. Solar Connections represents some of the top brands in solar: Tesla, SunPower, LG, just to name a few, and has over 10 years of designing and installing solar systems throughout the Caribbean and Canada. So what are you waiting for? Call Solar Connections today at 876-835-3868 or visit www.solarconnectionsja.com and help us shine some sunshine and savings into your life. That's Solar Connections at 876-835-3868.